Hey everybody, we are here this morning at Elm Creek. Elm Creek Park. We are doing the Hayden Loop, which is about 7 miles, I believe. It was like 6.89 or something. I'm not really sure if it's a horse trail or a single track, because it was listed as a horse trail, but it also said it was a single track. I don't know if that's the same thing or not, but anyway, it is a gorgeous day today. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and it's already like 50 degrees. I don't know why I'm wearing this jacket, but let's do this. This shouldn't take, 3 hours maybe? Don't know if you can see this, probably not. They're going behind those trees there, but the group of looks like 4 wild turkeys running across the field. Hopefully I'll get a view of them once I get by these trees up here. Found these cool little pine cones forming on this tree. This pine tree. Actually, I don't know if they're forming or if they're left over from last year. But I was checking them out, and I noticed when I touched the branch, I don't know, I think this is all pollen. Watch. Like a bunch of dust and smoke come off the tree. I wonder if that's spring pollen. Beautiful wetland area here. And this time in the springtime, you can just hear all the life. All the frogs, toads, birds. Kind of a nice little view through the trees here. You know, it's so beautiful out here. It's so nice to be here. But then at the same time, it makes me sad that there are people out there that would do this. It looks like plates. Someone broke up a bunch of plates. Very disrespectful to the land. I wish people had a little more respect for the land nowadays. I don't know if you can see these, but there's a couple pheasants there. trees. Can't really see them all. They blend in too well to their surroundings, which I guess is kind of the point. I'll try to get closer, but they're probably going to fly away. It's hard to be quiet walking through the forest. Look at this. Interesting. Some kind of well. Chasing after a pheasant, you find something cool. So I've been noticing these plants over the past week or two. They were the first ones to show their leaves. But I did a little research. There are these prickly plants, and they have these little green leaves. These are the Missouri gooseberry, native to this area. I don't know why they're called the Missouri gooseberry if they're native to this area. But, hey. In a few months we'll have some tasty gooseberries. Alright, so we're here back at the parking lot. Yeah, that was 6.7 miles, it says. I think that was a little short, because I think it was supposed to be 7.8, but hey, what can you do? About 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 32 minutes. Pretty good. It was a beautiful day. This park was okay. It was very secluded. There wasn't a lot of people. I only saw a couple people the whole time, which is nice. There wasn't a lot to look at though. It was just kind of walking through open plains and swamp. There's like 7 lakes here, but I could only see one of them from like a distance at one point. The trail didn't go close to any of the lakes. I wish it would have. It would have been a lot nicer. There just wasn't a lot of great views or like great scenery. But other than that, it was a great hike, a beautiful day. It's like 65 degrees. Nice and toasty. But yeah, it's a good day. Feeling good.